A snapshot of the COVID-19 outbreak outside of Toronto. Devastated long-term care facilities in York and Durham regions have become the epicenter of the crisis in Ontario. And tonight we speak with the mayors of major GTA cities about how they're coping and what lies ahead. Despite taking early action and becoming the first municipality in York Region to declare a state of emergency, Vaughan is the hardest hit city in the region. With 42 deaths and 690 confirmed cases, almost double the next highest count, Markham, with 381 confirmed cases. But the mayor is cautiously optimistic. He says their numbers have peaked and they should begin to see a decline.
But it has to be consistent, right? And you could always see a spike. Remember, this is new for everybody, including the medical experts.
Already he is thinking ahead and preparing for a second wave and is warning his residents to get used to a new normal.
People's behavior cannot change immediately. We're not all going to be going to hockey games and big parties and rock concerts. That's not going to happen anytime soon. And I think psychologically, we need to be ready for that.
While Markham has half the number of cases as Vaughan, they have almost the same number of deaths, currently sitting at 40. The city has seen tragedy unfold in its long-term care settings, the first to witness major outbreaks at 2 homes.
That's really been the saddest part of our experience here.
At last count, deaths at Participation House and Markhaven account for more than half the total in the city. In the meantime, 50% of the ICU patients in all of York Region are in Markham-Stouffville Hospital. But the mayor is optimistic that they have the lowest community spread percentage among the municipalities. Richmond Hill has the third highest number of cases in York Region with 168 confirmed, but they have managed to stave off a spike in deaths, sitting at 5.
As we all know, all of the homes keep changing those numbers around very quickly, but we've been still in that area too. We've done very, very well.
To compare, we checked in with one of the hardest hit municipalities in Durham Region. Of the 1,075 confirmed cases, there are 414 of them in Pickering. Of those, more than half have been linked to one facility, Orchard Villa Long-Term Care and Retirement Home, where at least 282 staff and residents have been infected and 49 have died.
So there's no doubt it's been the epicenter for the region, as well as arguably for the whole province in regards to fatalities.
The mayor says the numbers are plateauing and help that has come from the federal and provincial governments as well as the military is helping.
We're certainly happy that all levels of government have stepped up.
All regions are forecasting a troubling financial picture, escalating deficits and debts, high unemployment, and reliance on other levels of government for funding. All mayors are looking for a safe way to reactivate the economy. For City News, I'm Yazdani.